This is video number 6 of Series 1 in relation to the patented Knee Saver electrical box and the Time Saver electrical switch. Shown here are two extension cords. The yellow cord has a number 12 wire. It's inserted into a 20 amp wall receptacle. The white cord has a number 14 wire. It's inserted into a 15 amp wall receptacle. At this point, the hub has two separate energized lines attached to it at the same time. Incidentally, that's less than the maximum number of separate energized lines allowable in the hub. The nightlight is being used to show that there is power in both lines. The hand touching of all parts shows that there are no energized parts exposed anywhere. This is a working model of a number 14 wire 15 amp receptacle. It is plugged into the hub. Again, no energized parts are exposed to the touch. This is a working model of a number 12 wire 20 amp receptacle. It is plugged into the hub. It too has no energized parts exposed to the touch. If you look at the front of the hub, you can see the tips of the wires, showing a good wire to set screw connection. This video also shows the back of the hub is flat with nothing attached.